Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to install MySQL on Windows 10 operating 64-bit operating system. So I have downloaded MySQL. So I will upload the link for the in description to download this version because actually I am trying to find out this version on the net but I couldn't find out. So I will put in the description link to download this file. So don't worry for that. So let's start here. So click in the MySQL community server. Now it is trying to install here. So it will take some time to install MySQL on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's wait here for. Okay, so now this pop-up window will be appear. So let it leave that developer default mode, and so click on the next here, and so you can click next. One or more product requirement have not been satisfied this product. So sometimes you might be that some component is missing in Windows 10 operating system, so you have to install that manually. So no, you have to click check. So this requirement is still failing. Okay, next, click on the next. Yes, and click on the execute. So all means all the this component will be tried to install in your system. So let's wait for here. Okay, so all the component of the MySQL is now installed. So click on the next. Okay, so click on the next product configuration. So now you will appear this window type M networking. So TCP default port will be for MySQL will be 3306, and so all is this good. Click on the next. Uh, So actually you have to type to authentication method. So you have to create a login ID. So click on the use legacy authentication method retain MySQL 5 compatibility. So click on the next. So type here the my type your MySQL root password. So type any password. So I'm giving 1 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and again repeat that password 1 2 3 4 5. So password is weak, so it is okay. You can put a strong password according to your convenient, and click on the next. Click on the next, and click on the execute button here. Okay, so now the configuration step is successfully installed, and click on the finish button and click next, finish, next. So now you have to what you have to set the password. Now you have to enter here 1 2 3 4 5. It is asking for that you test the connection to the MySQL community server. Check connection succeeded, click on the next, execute. Okay, so now click on the finish button here, next, finish. So now one MySQL community server will be uh, appear. So right here, okay, I will explain these things. What is this? So suppose you will get MySQL command prompt like as usual in the Windows 10 command prompt you get. So if you did not get, so you have to type here to search and type here MySQL and MySQL command line client. So it will be asked it for the password. Do you have to set the password 1 to 5? So 1 2 3 4 5, enter. So now this way you can connect. So this is the same way. So suppose you have to suppose you did not get this window. So I am assuming this window. So we have open the client MySQL client shell. So suppose you want to see the how suppose you want to see the databases of the MySQL. So just use show, that is the clause or the keyword, and show databases colon enter. So there is some default show databases colon and enter. So there is default database available like information schema is the database, MySQL is the database, performance schema is the database, Sakila and system and overday. So this is the default database. Suppose you want to use Sakila database, so how to you will use? So use Sakila semicolon enter. So now you have to uh, move on the Sakila databases. So suppose you want to see the table under the Sakila database, so type here show tables. So there is the means in the Sakila database the multiple tables is the actor table, actor info, address, category, city, country, customer. So around 23 tables are available in that Sakila database. Suppose you want to get the information about the actor table. So what you have to do? Select star from actor. I will explain this thing in later coming videos. So far this understanding is just understand this what I am doing here. Select star from the actor semicolon and enter. So means around here 200 record is here. So 200 record is here, and so like actor ID, first what is the first name of the actor and last name of the actor and last update. This is the time date in column. So this way you can use the MySQL command line prompt. So there are two ways to interact with the databases. Either you can use MySQL command line, or either you can see the what the first time which came here the MySQL workbench. Suppose you did not get this one by default, so you have to go here, type here to set and MySQL workbench. So this is the will appear here. So click on the MySQL workbench. So you have to click on the local instance, that is you have set. So click on, so it will ask your password. So type your password 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 5. Save password in the vault. Okay, save this password. So it will not ask in the next time when will you open this MySQL workbench. So okay. For root password is 12345. Okay, so you have to uncheck that off. Okay, so now this is the UI user interface for the MySQL. So first we have to interact with the command lines, and now we will hear the interact how to uh, deal with the MySQL workbench UI. So suppose this is the your script area, the coding area. You can write your script or the code here. So now you can use suppose you want to see the show databases here, and so you click, suppose there is a multiple line. So if you have the single line, so you can run this buttons, so it will be show the databases in the MySQL. And suppose there are multiple lines, so you have to select all these things. Suppose this so you have to select all these query and then click on this button. So what I was trying to explain here. So with a single line, you can directly click on that button. Okay, so now you have see the databases. Suppose you want to use that Sakila data. Previously we used Sakila and semicolon and click. So now use Sakila database is you selected. So from the Sakila database you selected, now you want to show tables, how many tables is available in the Sakila database. So tables colon and click on this button. So these are multiple columns there, as you earlier seen the command prompt line in MySQL. So suppose you want to show the information from the select star from, suppose I am choosing actor info. So actor info. So now you have to choose star means all the column for the actor info table. So just click. So now it is appearing actor ID, first name, last name, fill info. So these are all the table information about the actor information. So I hope that you like this video. So this is the means basic interaction about the MySQL, how you will interact with the command line or the MySQL workbench UI base, and you learn how to install the MySQL. So in the next step, in the next video, we will explore about from the 0 to script level how to write the query, and we will learn some different kind of clause and query. So see you in the next video, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.